and 2 waters, and that'll be it.
Okay, so I have a chocolate croissant, a pumpkin muffin, and then 2 waters.
Yes. That'll be it.
All right, that's gonna be 621 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. So my towels finally came in today. I've been waiting on these for, I think, for 2 weeks or a little bit more. I was starting to honestly think that this company was a scam, but they finally came in, so I'm gonna open them and see if I like them. I wonder if I should wash these before I use them. Do you guys normally wash your towels before using them out of the store? I'm trying to get a little bit better about stuff like that because I just hate germs and just thinking about stuff being on the floor and in factories. I don't know. I'm making a mess though. The fun parts. Oh, they need a little help with this. Alright, so we got 4 towels, and this was kind of like to test it out because I wanted to honestly get my towels from Sylvan, but 1 towel from them cost the amount that I paid for these 4 towels, and I was like, I can't spend $50 on 1 bell towel. Like, not right now, I can't do that. So I spent $50 on 4 instead. Okay, so these are made with organic cotton, but the other towels that I was looking at actually help your skin and make it so bacteria don't cling on to your bath towel. So I'm gonna do some research and see. I don't need to go back and see why I went with these and not somebody else, because I was really looking for something that would help like make it less bacteria whenever you are drying off. So I think, I'm not sure if these are like the extra long ones or not. Let me see. Alright, so I got this out, and it's not hard, but it's not as soft as what I thought it would be. Reading the reviews and stuff. Let me see how long it is though, because that's what I'm kind of curious about. Okay. She lengthy. I'm gonna have to still lose a little bit more weight so that I can fit into this towel comfortably. I mean, can I do a double wrap in this or not? I don't know. Okay. So I'll try to see if I can get a shot with like the whole size of the towel in here. Okay, this is just the tag. Okay. One thing that I am noticing is that every towel has like a stain on it, and I try to wipe it off because like maybe it's like cardboard or some type of like something rubbed on it and it could just fall off, but it's not. It's actually like a stain on each one of the towels. I don't know why. That's a little disappointing. Like I know that's like one little spot, but I just wanted all my stuff to be perfect, and if it's gonna get messed up, it needs to be messed up by me, not messed up already here.
Yeah, yeah. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticker. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch it, tell them they can tune in. Show them how I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on.
Alright, so since today is a clean day, this is so embarrassing out. This is my work area, and since have been doing a lot of work here lately, everything has just been like collecting, and it's just really dirty. So what I want to do first is go ahead and get this computer space cleaned off. My nephew loves to come over here and eat his crackers and cookies off of my desk. I don't know why. So it's like a lot of crumbs up here. So I need to clean all of that off. I have some new products that I haven't yet shown. I might just do a whole video on just new products that I have for my Etsy shop, just to break it down. And yeah, I just turned the dishwasher on, so hopefully it's not too loud. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, get these crumbs up, because that's just so nasty, and need to give this like a good rub down. Also, I need to get a mouse pad, because my desk, from where I rub my mouse, I don't know what happened. I don't really know if this is dirt, but like when I move it around and try to get it up, sometimes the actual desk will start to mess up. I don't know what this is, but it's nasty. So I want to try to get a mouse. I think Vistaprint has some that you can like have some custom made, or maybe I can find just like a cute one at Target. I'm not sure, but I know I need to invest in one because I don't really like that. But yeah, I'll show you guys after I'm done cleaning it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, totally forgot about this mirror that I have yet to put up. It's a real nice mirror, but I want to get it off of the floor. And this mirror, I want to put it back in my closet. So yeah, it looks nice up here, but I feel like I need it to go in my closet so that I can have more floor space. And then this can probably just go on the wall up here, and then I can put like a bench under it or something, or even like a table. But that is something that I want to do today too, because I've had this for a while, I think since last summer, and I never even put it up.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me, because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcomplicated. It's hard for me to trust again after what I went through. You say you want me, but I don't wanna believe you. So I don't reply when you message me, I'm trying to end it. Before this begins, I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me. So I pull away, because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. Cause I've got so much baggage, I don't have it together. I'm flawed and stuck in my ways. I get so mad easily, I can't agree to disagree. I don't admit when I'm wrong. You have no clue, I ruin everything good. I never open up even though I really should. Don't wanna disappoint you, I'm not the right one. I have so many issues, you should wanna run. You should wanna run. Run away, no. So I don't reply when you message me, I'm trying to end it. Before this begins, I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me. So I pull away, because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. I've been played, my heart is not on my sleeve. I'm so afraid of putting myself out there. Need some time to heal and space to do that. I'm not expecting you to wait for me, no.
Okay, so I still have to get some things off of the floor, but pretty much the desk and like my workstation is clean. My light came in. I just want to show you guys. It came from Amazon. It was really cheap. It was like less than $20 actually. My ring light. So I'm gonna show you guys whenever I get it all set up. It's really small, and it's just to get like the necessities done right now. And I do need to purchase a big one, but right now I think this will work. Look what came in. My envelopes finally came in. So now my sister can rest easy and know that I don't have to ask her for any anymore. When I get home, I'll open them up. I might owe my sister a few out of this box. We'll see. Just got home and I'm opening up these envelopes, and I do feel like I'm going to need something more than just the envelopes, but these are from Hobby Lobby, and I think I showed you in a previous vlog the size and like just the overall dimensions in case you want to buy some. But I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you are enjoying the videos, and I'll see you next week.